How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get protein in your diet without cooking. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So this is a question I get from a lot of subscribers. Now, when I was growing up, you guys, I know a lot of people, their parents will cook their meals. And a lot of times your parents will say, you either eat this meal or you're not cooking anything else. So if you don't want to eat their meals, maybe they're not getting enough protein, you need to find protein without cooking. Another reason why you may need protein without cooking is if you live in a college dorm or a university dorm, you don't have access to maybe an oven or a microwave or anything like that, then you need to get your protein in without cooking. So I have done a video on this way, probably about 5 or 6 years ago, and the video got like 100,000 views, I think. And it's all getting protein in your diet without cooking. So the main thing, I'll go over a couple of foods that are really good that need zero cooking. You don't have to cook them. The first one is going to be any type of bean or chickpea. Peas, beans, very high in protein. So what I would do is I would have 2 cups of chickpeas. 1 cup of chickpeas, or 1 serving, I should say, of chickpeas has about 12 grams of protein. So 2 servings of chickpeas has 24 grams of protein. Another big one that you want to rely on is milk. 1 serving of milk has 9 grams of protein. When I was bulking, a lot of times I would consume 2 to 3 liters of milk a day, 2 liters minimum of milk a day. So 9 grams of protein is 250 mils. So 1 liter is equivalent to 36 grams of protein. I would have 2 liters. So 2 liters of milk, I would get 72 grams of protein. It's a lot of protein. Added onto my chickpeas, that's almost 100 grams of protein. Now, back in the day, they would say 1 gram per pound, 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. It has completely changed. Experts recommend now about 0.75 grams, like that's all you need max to build muscle. So you don't even need, so if you're 200 pounds, you only really need about 120 to 140 grams of protein. You don't need 200 grams of protein. So literally eating peas or beans and 2 liters of milk a day will almost get you all your protein. It's that simple. Other things is Greek yogurt. I will have 2 to 3 Greek yogurts a day. Each Greek yogurt has 9 grams of protein. You can get big things of Greek yogurt, or I just get little small containers. So I eat 1, throw it away, eat 1, throw it away. That there gives me 27 grams of protein. So already right there, I'm at about 130 grams of protein. The next thing is your carbohydrate sources. A lot of whole grain carbohydrate sources are high in protein. Whole grain bread, 2 slices of whole grain bread has 10 grams of protein. So I'll typically eat 4 slices of bread, whole grain bread a day. That's 20 grams of protein. So now I'm at 150 grams of protein. I don't need to go any higher than this. If I eat too much protein, it hurts my stomach. So I try to stay at 150, 160 grams of protein a day max. Sometimes I'll only get 100 grams of protein. So other ones is whole grain spaghetti, or even just regular spaghetti in general. Very high in carbohydrates, believe it or not. There are other foods that you can eat, but that is what I would do if you want to get your protein. Again, you don't need to drink 2 liters of milk. You can have 2 cups of milk and then just get your protein from other carbohydrate sources. So again, you don't need to drink 2 liters of milk a day, but that's how you can get, it's actually super easy to get your protein without cooking. You don't need to cook to get protein. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.